The call last night that there was a gas leak. Had her put some bubbles on that fitting right there. Basically, it's a good flare inside that nut. It was leaking. The flare nut was bubbling there. She put some bubbles in there, and just a loose flare nut, really. But this thing's all kinked up. You got to be careful when you're moving your dryers around or any appliance. This thing was just a mess. Kink there, and you can see what I replaced it with. Those forged nuts are what you want to use, rather than these cast or whatever these nuts are. Anyway, when you're moving your appliances around or running a gas line, this is kind of an odd setup, but you want to leave a loop, usually curled up behind the dryer.